It's almost like pillar rock on the upper gully, actually. And you got a really round rock. The water in front of it's really green. It's a real friendly wave, and it stops the raft from going forward and pretty much lifts it up in the raft. You kind of slide right off of the rock. It's a better move up here, I think.
And what rapid is that?
It's a landslide. Landslide, it's the second shelf in. We'll kind of enter on the right in a real tight chute. We got to make a move to the right, move to the left, get the center ledge out of the way, and then it's your last ledge. It's the far right move. The move is to grab as much of that rock as you can. Drive it in that corner a little harder than you think, and even a little left-hand angle is even better too. When you really square up on it, it likes to wash you out. You can have a little bit of left hand, but that front right corner in there will really lift you up and put you vertical on the rock, just like how we backslid the last time.
Woo! Give a little high five there, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful. I gave her a little tap.